In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the Soul ID features in Higgsfield AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create a character using your own photos, allowing for a personalized experience in the platform. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, you should see options for both video and image generation prominently displayed on the screen. Next, locate the section labeled Soul ID Character. Click on this option to proceed. At this point, you will be directed to a new screen dedicated to character creation, which should feature various tools and options for customization. After that, select the button that says Make Your Own Character. This action will initiate the character creation process. A new panel will appear, presenting you with features to generate characters based on your input. Now, click on the option that allows you to generate infinite selfies in different styles using your own photos. This feature is designed to create diverse representations of your character, enhancing the overall creative potential. Following this, click on the Create Character button. This action will take you to the next stage where you can upload your images, which is essential for generating your character accurately. You will now see a prompt that encourages you to upload 20+ photos for best results. It is crucial to provide multiple images to capture various angles and expressions. Keep in mind that high-quality images will yield better results, so ensure your photos meet this criterion. Next, click on the section that instructs you to upload high-quality images of one person. The platform recommends showing different angles and clear facial expressions to create a consistent identity for the character. Make sure to verify your internet speed, as larger files may take longer to upload, impacting the overall process. After you've prepared your images, avoid uploading types of photos that are not recommended. Click on the section that states AVO id these TPISA photos to review the guidelines. This step is critical to ensure that your uploads align with the platform's requirements. Now, proceed to click on the link that specifies no duplicates, group shots, pets, nudes, filters, face covering, accessories, or maps. Adhering to these guidelines will improve the quality of the generated character. Next, you will want to click on the highlight section to emphasize the importance of following the photo guidelines. This will reinforce the need for clarity in your submissions. After that, click on Bad to review examples of what not to upload. Understanding these pitfalls will help you avoid common mistakes that can hinder the character creation process. Continue by clicking on another Barred section to further reinforce the types of images that do not meet the criteria. Familiarizing yourself with these examples is essential for successful uploads. Now, click on Average Quality to understand the minimum standards required for your photos. This knowledge will assist you in selecting the best images for your character. At this stage, click on Enter Name to provide a name for your character. This step personalizes your creation and allows for identification within the platform. Once you have entered a name, click on Generate to initiate the character creation process. This command will prompt the platform to analyze your uploaded images and generate your character based on the provided data. Finally, click on Highlight to confirm your selections and finalize the character creation process. This action will lead to the generation of your character, which may take a few moments depending on the number of images uploaded and your internet speed.